How to fix screen mirroring iPhone to TV. Not working, let's get started. First, ensure your TV is compatible with AirPlay, as most smart TVs released after 2018 support this feature. If your TV doesn't have AirPlay, you can use an Apple TV device or third-party apps like Miracast or AirScreen. Next, make sure both your iPhone and TV have the latest software updates. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for updates. While on your TV, look under Settings, usually in the System or About section, to update its firmware. Both your iPhone and TV need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for screen mirroring to work. Avoid using guest networks or unstable 5 GHz connections. Restarting your iPhone, TV, and any connected streaming devices like Apple TV can often resolve connectivity glitches. Additionally, verify that AirPlay is enabled on your TV by going to its settings and ensuring the AirPlay feature is turned on. To initiate screen mirroring, open the Control Center on your iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your TV or Apple TV from the list. If your TV doesn't appear or there's no sound or video, check your TV's input settings and ensure the iPhone volume isn't muted. For lagging or frequent disconnections, reduce interference by turning off other Wi-Fi devices and consider restarting your router. If these steps don't resolve the issue, resetting your iPhone's network settings can help. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. For your TV, perform a factory reset through its Settings menu. If none of these solutions work, contacting Apple support or your TV manufacturer for assistance may be necessary. With these steps, you should be able to enjoy smooth and seamless screen mirroring from your iPhone to your TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update.